For the most part of 2021, I've been working on a project which is Piano World. It's my Amapiano EP, so it's my first big project and it has been taking a lot of my time. In the upcoming videos, including this one, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I created all of these songs. And I'm also going to be leaving a link in the description for you guys to follow and have a listen to my EP. And also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. So now let's get down to the video. So to start things off, one of the first main sounds, it's my guitar. So I just use this preset, which is classic nylon guitar in Omnisphere. So the key for this beat, it's B minor. So I'm just gonna play you the pattern. So I'm gonna play this, I'm gonna switch to pattern and I'm gonna play. So yeah, this is the main sound that's going to be playing throughout the beat. And moving on to the next sound, which is the piano. So for the piano here, I use Lizard Lounge. I use this preset, the first preset, then it's also playing at B minor. Let's go to another one. So for this one is a second guitar that I use for the beat, and it's also using Omnisphere, but however with this one I'm using a different preset from Omnisphere. So alright, so this one I use this Strat muted guitar, and I just use the same pattern from my main guitar pattern and I just copied it and pasted it on this preset. So this is how it sounds with a different guitar. So another key sound that I've used is this preset from Hypersonic, which is a bass marimba. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So with the next one, it's still the same preset and it's still the same plugin. However, here I just transpose the notes, so they're playing at a much higher pitch. Then moving on to the one that's going to be playing in the background, which is the tremolo signal. So it's a simple pattern there. Also playing at B minor. So I used the brass, then here it just plays this simple 3-step sequence. Another plugin that I use, which is GMS. So for this one I just used this preset called Classic Detune, and it plays like this. Moving on to the next ones. So for this one, so I did a bit of a freestyle using this preset from Omnisphere, and yeah, I'm just gonna play them together so that you guys can see. Alright, so that was that. Then let's go to the next pattern. So for this one, it's just a bass line. I also use that same pattern into this preset on Omnisphere. That's what I did there. Then I did the same thing with this guitar. Used the bassline pattern. Then the last part of our plugins is my bass. So for my bass here, I used 2 log drums and also 1 bass line. So I'm gonna play you the individual log drum here. So this is the log drum, and I made a pattern. I made this pattern. I also made this one. Previous pattern here for the bass line is mostly an oomph, and on the second one it's punchy, it's more clicky. And also made a pattern using the one from my log drums. Okay, then if I play them together, so that's my log drum, and those are most of the chord progression and melodies that I did for this beat. And now the last part would be the drums. Okay, so the first one is the shaker loop. So this is the whole project, and we also have vocals on it. So I'm going to play out the project for you guys. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now. Wena Wedwa, baby. Wena Wedwa.